Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Master Tech once again. So as I observed, they are now changing their audio test every 2 weeks, unlike before that it will took for almost 1 month after they change it. I don't know what came up to their mind for a sudden changes. Are we guys intimidating them? Are they afraid to have many applicants? Or they don't want many applicants on their company? So it's a little bit hassle. And it's a little bit confusing. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you the script which created by Jackson Kamau. Yes guys, the script is belong to Mr. Jackson Kamau. So shout out to you bro, if you are watching this, please comment down below. I made some changes in the script. So anyway, this is the script of Mr. Jackson Kamau, which I edited some words, commas, periods. So I think right here we're on, and second right here if you have. So if you're watching this bro, just comment your edited version of yours so others will see what changes are made. So this is the new update.
If you have, this is our plan. This is what the benefit's going to be to you. However, if you have ideas, if you want to input into our plan, because you are our distribution, you are our channel partners, our dealers.
Okay, so guys, as you can hear, that is the new update. So it consists of 2 minutes and 37 seconds. So okay, here is the script. Copy. Then I might paste it here. Yes. So I'm gonna fix it. Actually guys, there is only one speaker. Anyway, two speaker. Speaker 1 and speaker 2. Yes guys, the speaker 1 that's saying this audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript is anyway, so the speaker label must be in bold. Wait. Okay, so okay. Okay. Speaker 1, this audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript needed in the script. So there is a two speaker. Just check the other if you have a anyway, this is the new script. So yeah, I can zoom in so you can see it. Okay guys, I'm so sorry for to change this. Okay, so this is the final script. So guys, instead of blaming each other, why don't you help each other? Why don't you post your own script in the comment section? And maybe some of you will notice and help you, or you can help each other by sharing your edited version below. You know, there's a lot of things that you can do. There is no impossible if you help each other. Why don't we help each other, guys? Instead of blaming, bashing, isn't it? My role here actually is to help you to get rid of it. So I think someday you're gonna pass the test. Just keep on trying, keep on believing, just review the guidelines. And again, thank you for staying with me, and thanks to you, Mr. Jackson Kamau. So after this, you may send it for review. Anyway, I won't do that because this is just a dummy account. Anyway, have a good day.